Hey guys, it's Sarah, aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the first ever Planner Girl box from Cupcakes&Stickies. This box is no longer available. It was a limited release, but she plans on doing boxes in the future, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can find out when these exciting things are happening. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and it says Planner Girl box contents, and it just tells you everything that's in there, and then extras from these participating shops. So we have Run with Craft Scissors, Britannia Nicole, Sticker Monster Co., Purdy Planner, and AB Organizing. Sorry about that beeping. I am starting to incubate eggs, so I just turn the incubator on and it beeps at you until it gets up to temperature. So the first thing are some die cuts, and these are also stickers. So those are super cute. And then we have the sticker kit. And so these stickers are non-planner specific, so you can use them in any planner. They are still the same width as the boxes in the Erin Condren in the Happy Planner, but they are not specifically made for any kit. So I'm just going to flip through the pages. And I do want to say that these kits are completely 100% hand-drawn by Mary of Cupcakes&Stickies. Then we have these little scissors. Super cute. Okay, then we have the sticker book. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but down here it does say Planner Girl, and there is a little Loretta. And there are stickers to go in here. So these are all the stickers from different shops. So first we have this die cut. This is from Purdy Planner. And then here is the sticker sheet that Purdy Planner contributed to the box. This is the sheet from Britannia Nicole, AB Organizing, and Sticker Monster Co. And then we have the pen pouch, which also says Planner Girl and has the little Loretta. And then we have some cute little clips here. So these are like the bobby pin style clips. And then we have the cute little Loretta planner charm. And then 2 washies that coordinate with the kit. And then the last thing is this like diamond like gem top pen, and it says Planner Girl with the little Loretta. It's just a ballpoint pen. So there's also a silver bow clip from Cupcakes and Stickies in these boxes, but mine is missing. But that's okay. So yeah, super awesome stuff in this box, and like I said, she does hope to do more of these. So make sure you're following me to find out when those happen. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. Check the description box for shop information and my coupon code. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!